Good afternoon, it's Justin with MarineMax Pompano Beach showing you a brand new 2023 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. You can see here it's got the beautiful glacier green hull sides with matching underside of gel coat on the hardtop with the black frame. Let's walk on and show you some options. It's also accentuated here with the black motor, so it's got really sharp lines. The black and the green really look good together. Let's hop aboard. Coming through, we got a starboard side walk-through door, 2 rod holders on the aft portion of the boat so you can store your rods. We also got 2 more rod holders on each side and 2 more tulips on the hard top. So plenty of rod storage if you want to do some fishing. We're coming in to the boat. We have a nice drop-down seat here, which provides plenty of space to sit and have a social setting, opposing seating. When you want to do some work or you're having stuff that you want to take around, you can fold it in and have a lot of deck cockpit space to work with. We got a movable seat here, so we can make this a rear-facing lounger or a forward-facing lounger. We got storage underneath both parts of the seat. We also got the utility center on the starboard side of the boat. So storage drawer and a nice compartment with a 5-gallon bucket to store things. Coming forward, we also have the premium electronics package, which gives you an upgraded sound system, stereo, subwoofer, JL audio, Simrad 12-inch touch screen with fish finder and GPS. Nice acrylic, cuts down on the glare on your eyes with waterproof switches. Also got a Simrad VHF radio. And as I said earlier, we got the underside of the hardtop in glacier green, which matches the outside of the boat. On the port side, we have an opening door here, which goes down to a vacuum flush flushing head. Moving forward, nice center walkthrough with a closing windshield. Seating, plenty of room for a full-size adult to lounge. Cup holders, both recessed on port and starboard. We also got a freshwater wash-down shower so you can wash off the anchor and yourself when you get into the boat. This one's equipped with a through-the-stem anchor automatic windlass and a beach boarding ladder. If you want to see more, my name's Justin at MarineMax Pompano. You can give me a call at 954-633-2070 and I'd love to show you more of this boat.